Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this hot air balloon. You can also add some fairy lights on it or tiny passengers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more of these crafts. So let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using 2 pieces of craft cards, A4 paper, 2 colors of crepe paper, jute string, 1 pipe cleaner, glue, ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. To make the basket, measure 2 centimeters and cut 7 pieces of card strips. And take 4 card strips and cut it into 21 centimeters and make 3 pieces of 25 centimeters strip. For the base, draw and cut a circle with 7 centimeters in diameter. I'm folding here the 4 card strips to find the middle. Mark the center of the circle, the folded card strip, and stick it at the center of the base. Stick the 3 other card strips. Make sure that they are nicely placed. Flip it over and fold the strips inward. Then take the 3 longer strips to start weaving. Then stick it in the middle of the 2 strips. Start weaving by placing the strip under and over alternately until it reaches the end. Then put some glue to close the first layer. For the second layer, apply some glue at the back of the duck strip and continue weaving. Repeat the same steps for the third layer. Fold in the 4 strips and add glue to close it. Then, cut the remaining strips that are sticking out. Now let's make the balloon envelope. Start by cutting 4 pieces of 1 centimeter strips. Take a pipe cleaner and mark 1 centimeter on each end. Shape it into a circle and connect the ends together. Apply glue on each side of the strip and stick it on the pipe cleaner. Stick the other strips, making sure that they are equally spaced out. Apply glue at the center of the overlapping strips to hold them together. We just made the framework of the balloon envelope. Then trace the bottom part of the framework. Draw at least ½ centimeter inner circle and cut it. Then use a hot glue to stick it on the framework that we made. To make the envelope, I have this pattern that you can download in the description below. This is about 6 centimeters by 15 centimeters. We'll be cutting 3 pieces for each color. We can now stick it on the framework, starting from the top to the bottom. Carefully adjust each piece as you stick it on the framework. It is okay for the pattern to overlap with each other. Gently flatten the parts that are sticking out for a clean and neat look. Then snip the excess paper if needed. Gently push it to give a nice shape. Next, get an A4 paper and cut into 4 parts. Then roll each paper into a stick. All the 4 paper sticks should be about 12 centimeters. Wrap around each paper stick using a jute string. We can now connect the parts together. Starting with the balloon, the placing of the sticks should be equally spaced out. Use a hot glue to attach them together. After connecting the sticks to the balloon, we may now attach them to the basket. You may add some fairy lights and a tiny passenger. And there you have it, your very own hot air balloon. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.